Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to insert text in Premiere Pro, or probably how to create title and caption. So if you want to create text in Premiere Pro, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is launch your Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. So after that, press the T key on the keyboard to activate the type tools and click anywhere in the program monitor to start your text or to start typing your text. You can also drag to create a text box, and after that, customize your text box. So for you to be able to customize your text box, use the essential graphics panel to adjust the font, the size, the color, and the position of your text. And after that, you can simply add an effect. So for you to be able to add an effect, you have to go to the effect panel and search for effects like transform or crop to animate your text. And after that, you have to set up a keyframe. So for you to be able to set a keyframe, move to the playhead to the point where you want to add the animation to start. Then click the stopwatch icon next to the property you want to animate to create a keyframe. And after that, move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to end, and adjust the property value, and Premiere Pro will automatically create another keyframe too, and play back your timeline to preview the text animation and make any necessary adjustments. After that, watch the video. If you are satisfied with the animation, export your video using the export settings that best suits for your project, and that's how you can insert text in Premiere Pro. If you find this video, turn on the notification button and thank you.